Okay, second run through. I'm gonna see if we missed anything. We got quite a bit out of that first one there. Run all this back into here. Oh, and what I said earlier about eBay, I meant Facebook, so I meant to say I'm gonna put that video on Facebook. I just got a little excited. So anyways, let's see how skilled we got it here. Fill up my dish here. Start working what I got in the pan. Now, I don't usually miss anything. I haven't actually done a second run through in a long time, so let's see how good I am. If I miss, I better start doing it a little more often. Okay. Now this is not the ideal way to do this at all. So, but the bathtub is a little clogged from the last time I did it. So, we're going to try to do it in this bowl. And keep the sinks working. Getting down to that black sand now. Doesn't take long usually. Pellets out of here. Now watch out, because I know the gold sticks to them things. Almost there. Okay. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna put water in there and see if we got anything we missed. Should do it so you can see. A lot of black sand. Oh! Oh! I missed the little pellet. Oh. Looks like just one though. Okay, second run through. I did miss something, but I don't know, you can decide whether it's worth it. Let me try to clean the rest of the debris away from it. Yeah, alright. This, okay, that little tiny. Let's see here. I'm going to try to point to it with something. There we go. This, on the edge of my ruler, is what I missed. Yep. It's shiny, so it looks bigger than it is, but it's just a little tiny flake. But a little tiny flake's a flake when you ain't got none. So, okay, that's it. I'm going to get rid of this dirt and clean up. Thanks again, guys. I love you. I miss you guys a lot. So, I love you. Merry Christmas. Bye.